What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Today guys, I just wanted to give y'all a quick video. I was on the internet and I was just looking. I was like, let me see if somebody made a video on this, because I couldn't find out how to remove the Gbody front turn signals. So these right here, these lights at the bottom right here, see mine's kind of cold, but this one right here at the bottom, I couldn't find nothing. I couldn't find nothing on it. So I decided, you know, what way than to make a video, you know what I'm saying, make a video on that, because I couldn't find it. I ain't see nobody. So when y'all run into a problem like this, y'all can come to my video and see how to take them lights out and put them back in. So we're gonna get started, man. I already found out how to get them out. I'm gonna show y'all in 1 second. Give me a second. Alright, so yeah, this the front of your car. Matter if it's a Cutlass, Monte Carlo, mostly Monte Carlo. We're gonna speak on Monte Carlos right now. I don't have a Cutlass or nothing in front of me, so we're gonna speak on Monte Carlos. But see, my light got a little prime on it, or whatever. But to take this light out, you're gonna need to take this light out. You're going to need, it's hard for me to get up in there. You see that? Right here, I'm about to zoom in. I found it. It's right here. It's gonna be one right here, and it's one over there. You're gonna need two. It's two torque screws. They are T15, if I ain't mistaken. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. We might can't get that, but we're gonna try. Alright, yeah. So two T15 torque screws. You get them right there that I just showed y'all, them two half circles, that's one. And then up under, let's see if I can get up under here. Yeah, give me a second. Try to move this big old camera. And it's right here. This one right here is gonna be another one. I know it's kind of bright, but it's gonna be another one. You hit it with that one. Trying to get it for y'all right there. Yeah, so, and then there's gonna be one right there. You take all three of them screws out and you'll be able to pull it from the front. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Give me a second. Let me cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. 1 second. They fighting. I ain't got that much time on my camera. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get it off. Alright, we back. I got it loose. It didn't take that long. It actually took probably like 20 more seconds. I could have kept it on, but anyway, you just go in now, get it out, pull it out from the back, and there you go. Mine's out because, like I said, I primed it on it. I was gonna clean them out, but I decided to do something else. pull them out. I didn't want to clean them old ones out. So guess what? Hold on. We got some new guys. We ain't playing. Remember I told y'all it's the small things that count. We ain't playing, man. So I'm gonna cut y'all off. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get both of them in and show you the end results. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, we back. Show y'all the finished product. We got that guy up in there. I think my bulb out. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get me some bulbs, cause that bulb ain't hitting, but you see them? Them brand new guys, they look way better. See that? Way better. But yeah, man, I just want to show y'all that. I'm gonna tell you now, about trying to get them 2 screws up in there at the top, them 2 torques to go up there in the top, it's gonna be a fight, boy. I've been out here for a little bit fighting with it, just trying to find a way to get them in there, but they got in there, so hey man, I just wanted to show y'all that. So yeah, sometimes them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And I'm out, man. You gotta do it yourself. Yeah.